Hey guys, it's Kimberly from the Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm here with Cecile from Just Another Button Company, and I saw some amazing things she did with her little pillows, and I kind of wanted to just show you because I thought it was neat. So when they put their pillows together, instead of, sewing, leaving an opening, and then reversing it out and then hand stitching, it gives it an ugly look. So what they do, I think, is fabulous. They sew all the way around, then they cut a hole in the back like this, just giving you some ideas, and then they just flip it out and do like a little Frankenstein stitch. And then what you can do is you can just put like a little fusible applique on the back, or if you have a fusible quilt label, you can just put it on the back, and then on the front your pillow looks amazing. So you should definitely try that at home, and check out all of the Just Another Button Companies on the Fat Quarter Shop YouTube page.